Now we are going to form un plus participe présent. Un plus participe présent. Un plus participe présent. Now in French, if we have participe passé to mean past participle, then we can have participe présent to mean present participle. Past participle, present participle. For example, the past participle of chanter is chanter to mean sang, sang. But the present participle of chanter is chantant, meaning singing. Now this is sang, and this is singing. So that is the difference between participe passé and participe présent. Now, here we are now going to learn how to use on. Now, this on is not the pronoun en that we did. This is not a pronoun. This is just a form of conjugation. They call it gerundive. They call it gerundive. But here, we're just going to a brief explanation of it. When we get to where it is well treated, then we can now talk about it properly. But on plus participe présent gives us gerundive. Now, the next question should be, how do we identify or conjugate in participe présent? On continue. Now, the conjugation of participe présent is actually the simplest in French. It's the simplest in French. What do we need to do? What do we need to do? We have le participe présent se forme à partir de nous au présent. Le participe présent se forme à partir de nous au présent. For instance, for instance, I have a verb like finir. The new form of finir is finissant. Finissant. So the Frenchman says, if I know the new form of a verb in present tense, then I should just remove the ONT and add ANT to it. I should remove the ONS and add ANT to it. So this gives me finissant. Finissant. Now, this applies to all form of verbs, all of them, apart from être and avoir. Apart from être and avoir. The participe présent of être is étant. And the participe présent of avoir is ayant. Apart from these two, every other verb goes with this. Also, some irregular verbs too, but we will get there. Now, let's go ahead. La forme en plus participe présent. Normalement, en plus participe présent, which gives us gerundive, like I said. En plus participe présent which gives us gerundive, normally expresses simultaneity. Simultaneity, when something is done simultaneously, that is when we use this en plus participe présent. That's when we use en plus participe présent. Now let's go to see the meaning and some examples. Now ici, okay, nous avons le participe présent se forme généralement à partir de la forme nous du présent, like I explained earlier. So we have nous parlons. Because parlons is the new form of parler in present tense, we have parlons. What we just need to do is just remove the ONS and put ANT. That is all. That is all. Look at the verb aller. Nous allons, and it becomes allons. Allons. Non, la forme on plus participe présent caractérise une action ou donne une information sur cette action. Now, it tells us, it gives us more information on the action that was performed. Do not forget I said it expresses simultanéité. Now look at this example. Il dîne en regardant la télévision. Il dîne en regardant la télé. Il dîne en regardant la télé. That means he's taking dinner while watching the television. Two actions. He's eating dinner and also watching television. He expresses simultaneity. So he's doing both at the same time. He's doing both at the same time. Il dîne en regardant la télévision. I can decide to say, il regarde la télévision en non. I'm breaking this delay now. I'm changing it to participle present. I'm using my regarder to be the actual verb. I can do either. I can do either of them. They both mean the same thing. He's watching the television while taking dinner. He's taking dinner while watching the television. C'est la même chose. Deux actions simultanéité. Two actions simultaneously. So that is basically what participle présent. That's basically what it expresses. Look at the second one. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. This means that they greet themselves while shaking hands. While shaking hands. They are greeting themselves, oh, bonjour, bonjour, at the same time they are shaking their hands. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. They greeted themselves while shaking their hand. This is to serrer la main. That's the infinitive of the verb, meaning to shake hands. To shake hands. Ils se sont salués en se serrant la main. So that is how participle présent is expressed. Yeah, I'm sure this is just the introductory part of this. Do not forget. So as we proceed further, you're going to see where they are elaborate, where they are well explained. But this is just the beginning and introduction of participle présent. Now let's go ahead to these exercises and go further from there.